Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today a quick video how to find the fuel fuse on Ford Fiesta. If the fuel fuse burns, it's part of the fuel pump system. It's the whole fuel system actually, because it's high pressure fuel system, direct fuel injection. So let me show you now, guys. If you open your manual on page 169, okay, right there, we're going to page 169. You'll be able to find the fuses for your Ford Fiesta, and it says F11 is a fuel system fuse. Some of you might not have the manual. That's why I'm making this video, because if you're on the road, I've looked it so many times trying to find a fuel fuse for a car, because if it doesn't start or something like that, you start checking the fuses first. You hope it's something small before you start digging into the big stuff. So we're going to go ahead, open the cap here by pressing both things in, pull the cap out. Okay guys, and this is the fuse right here. Okay, on the bottom of the cap you'll be able to find the numbers of the fuses, and you can see F11. You need to hold it this way, okay, and F11 will be corresponding to this fuse, which should be 30 amp fuse. And you just grab it and pull it out. Okay, this is the fuel pump fuse, fuel system fuse on Ford Fiesta, especially the Fiesta ST. So that's how you guys find it and replace it. You install everything in reverse order. So just a quick video, guys. Hopefully it will be helpful to some of you. Thank you for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.